Hello everyone, my name is Jay. Today I am going to talk about a book report about Fantastic Mr. Fox. The title is Fantastic Mr. Fox and the author is Roald Dahl. The main character is Mr. Fox, Mrs. Fox, the small foxes, Badger, Bogus, Buns, and Bean. The genre of the book is novel, problem, and conflict. Mr. Fox is stealing food from the three farmers to save their families, but the three farmers were angry about Mr. Fox stealing it. Three farmers were trying to catch Mr. Fox in many ways. They waited where the fox lives, and when the Mr. Fox come out, they'll shoot, but they just caught the fox. Next, they dig in their shovels, but foxes can dig faster than three farmers. They used mechanical shovels, but the three farmers were tired and cross. Resolution and ending. Lastly, when the three farmers starved Mr. Fox, he dig with small foxes and went to Bogus, Buns, and Bean's stores. Mr. Fox invited Mole, Rabbit, Badger, Weasel. Mr. Fox said they have a tunnel that made them go to the finest stores safely. But the three farmers didn't notice. They are still waiting for the fox to come out. Evaluation and recommendation. I don't recommend this story very much because it is funny, but I think the three farmers are crazy and stupid. Thank you for listening.
Hello everyone, my name is Jake. Today I am going to present about a book report about Fantastic Mr. Fox. The title is Fantastic Mr. Fox and the author is Roald Dahl. And main characters are Mr. Fox, Mrs. Fox, the small foxes, Badger, Bogus, Buns, and Bean. Genre is novel and problem and conflict. Mr. Fox wanted to steal some food from the three farmers, and the three farmers knew what was going on, and they want to kill Mr. Fox. So they dig with shovels or mechanical shovels, and Mr. Fox and his family digging to save from the farmers. And the farmers were waiting in front of the hole, and Mr. Fox couldn't get some food from the farmers, and their family were starved to death. Resolution and ending. Mr. Fox dig to the three farmers' storehouse, and they took some food, and they had feast with other animals. And the three farmers were still waiting in front of the hole. Evaluation and recommendation. I like this book because the story is fun and I can guess what was going on in the next chapter. Thank you for listening.